Hi, this is Dan of Maze, and this is a video on Windows gadgets. And I suppose Windows gadgets for me really not that relevant to my day-to-day computing. It's normally something I'd check out when an OS comes out and then sort of turn it off or not use it. But I decided to go back and find some that I like, and these are 4 that I've picked out that I like. They're not necessarily the most popular, so you may have heard of some of them, you may not have heard of others. So here we go. The first one's called Twitter Explorer. Now this would be absolutely perfect for sort of a light or medium Twitter user. You've just got your stream of people that you follow through the middle, and you can post updates and you can retweet and do all sorts of things. If we go into the options, we can set like sizes and gadget height, so we can go to sort of tool or something, and how many times you update. What is also cool is that you can theme it. So obviously I've got a black desktop, and the blue looks a bit garish, so the black would be better for me. We've got about and help there. So now we're black, and it's got like a black and green feel going on. I really like this. I think this will be good for people who maybe want a desktop Twitter client but don't want something that sort of takes over so much, something like TweetDeck, which is like a really for more intensive Twitter users, I find. So that is Twitter Explorer. Next one is Weatherbug, and Weatherbug is something that kind of seems to span over many different platforms, and you can get iPhone apps and Android apps and web apps and all sorts of things, but this is the gadget for it. Works really well, very simple. You can go into the options here, you can just change from Fahrenheit to Celsius and put your location in, and it will also ask you what weather station you want to monitor from, and it's been fairly accurate so far. So that is Weatherbug. The next one's a really nice one. This is called I can't remember what it's called. System Control. There you go. System Control basically lets you control most things in your system just from a gadget. Now it looks like I've only got 3 options here, but if I go next, I've got other things as well. So I can shut down, restart, lock, and switch user, task manager, sleep. Let's have a look at the others. I can go into my run box, I can log off, I can go into my command prompt, I can hibernate, I can hit the screensaver, I can go into the control panel, and this is all controlled in the options here. You can see if you want the date, you can pick your button colours, you can hide different buttons, you can pick what buttons you want to see, and you can also theme here, which is pretty cool. So you can theme the background to whatever you want it to be. Let's just go for that because it will stand out, and there you go. So that's quite a nice one to have. That's called System Control. And the last one is kind of a bit of fun, but it's nice if you're bored and you want something a bit fun on your desktop. This one's simply called Piano, and if I just enlarge the size here, you see if I take my cursor off of it, this light goes off. If I click onto it, it will go back on, and basically I can play the piano with my keyboard. So I believe it starts on caps lock and goes all the way up to what is that? The colon and semicolon key. So you can play all of those notes, and you can also play the black notes as well above. So that's really cool if you want to play a bit of piano if you get a bit bored. So there you go. I'll leave all the links in the description so you can download these and have a play with them. I'd love you to respond, do like a video response of your favourite gadgets, because it's something that I maybe would like to look at again. So if anybody wants to make a response with their favourite Windows 7 or Windows Vista gadgets, then that would be cool. But thanks for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe, and see you later.